Hello, and welcome to another laptop salvage video. Before we get started, make sure that the laptop charger and other cables are not plugged into the computer. Don't forget to remove any media, external media readers, or external drives. Check to see if the laptop is powered down. It is recommended to place the laptop on an electrostatic discharge mat and to use the proper tools suggested by the computer's manufacturer. The Dell Latitude 7410. In this video, we remove the keyboard and the keyboard plate from the palm rest. Removing the keyboard. First, remove the LED status light flat flexible cable that is adhered to the back of the keyboard and move it out of the way. Then disconnect the keyboard and backlight cable from the touchpad module. Next, using a screwdriver with a Phillips number 0 tip, remove the 17 M2 by 2.5 screws securing the keyboard to the palm rest. Carefully pry the keyboard from the palm rest and remove it from the system. You can remove the keyboard from the keyboard plate. Unscrew the two M2 by 2 screws that secure the keyboard to the plate. Carefully pry apart and separate the two. If you plan to sell the rest of the components online, it is recommended to sell the palm rest as a whole, leaving the components and flat flexible cables where they are. The USH daughter board, the near field communication board, the LED status light and flat flexible cable, and the touchpad. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, give us a like. Check out the other videos on our channel featuring the teardown of this Latitude 7410. Look for the playlist section on our channel page. Be sure and subscribe as we have several more laptop models to work on. Until then, rescue, reuse, and refurbish.